Introducing the Cat.6 IDC feed-through connector. This is a Cat.6 RJ45 feed-through with IDC termination in the standard XLR frame. Front RJ45 jack. Rear IDC block for 22 to 26 AWG conductors. Supports straight-through wiring T568A or T568B. The frame size is 26 by 31 mm with a 24 mm round cutout. Two fixing options: 3.5 mm countersunk holes or an X version with 2.5 mm plain holes. ROSH compliant. Designed for fast panel builds with RJ45 on the front and punch down at the rear. No coupler required. Cat.6 IDC feed-through XLR frame. Neat front, fast IDC at the back. Widely used in safety-critical monitoring systems, where reliability is non-negotiable.